Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to file a complaint against AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter My Orders section. Now you want to find an order that you are unhappy with and tap on it to open its details, and there you should see button Open Dispute. So you should click it. And you have to add some evidence that you have. So it can be any photos, screenshots, videos, maybe track information, etc. Whatever that will prove that you really have some problems with this item and you're unhappy with your order. And seller and you will try to negotiate. And if it doesn't work, AliExpress will step in and it should help. So if the seller doesn't agrees to, for example, get you refund or something else, you can click Escalate Dispute button, and AliExpress customer service team will step in and try to resolve your issue. So they will review some evidence from both sides, from you and from seller, and they will issue a decision. So it can be refund, partial refund, or deny. Also, if that doesn't help, you can try contacting AliExpress customer service. So go back, and at your account you should find help center that looks like headphones icon like this, and this redirects you to help center basically. And at the bottom side of your screen you see online service button, so press it, and this redirects you to chat with customer service of AliExpress, and here you can type your question, send it, and wait for response. So that's basically how you can file a complaint against AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.